So a transformer converts high voltage AC current into low voltage, or vice versa. It transforms high voltage low current into low voltage high current. So a transformer looks like this. It just uses induction. We have what's called the primary coil and the secondary coil. So I've got some alternating current here going through this coil. That's a changing magnetic field, which creates a changing magnetic flux through this secondary coil, which induces a current here. And by having different numbers of coils, I could have high voltage here, which will be converted into low voltage here. And here's our formula. I don't like how they've written this. Here's a better way. If I go to my whiteboard, a better way to think of it is V2 over V1 equals N2 over N1, where N is the number of coils in each, or number of turns in each coil. So write that down. Okay, so a step up transformer would take you to higher voltage. Step down would bring you down to a lower voltage. Now remember, power equals IV or VI. Power equals voltage times current. So and ignoring what we lose to heat, because there is some heat loss here, but ignoring that, the power here in the primary coil is the same as the power in the secondary coil. It's just a trade-off. So here we'll have high voltage and very low currents, and we trade that off for low voltages and high currents. But the product is still the same. And these are the things we see all over outside. There's a big giant transformer at the power plant, a couple of step-down transformers, the one right outside your house. So we start off with 20,000 kilovolts coming out of the power plant, and at your house, it comes into only 240 volts are coming into your house. The reason we do that is there's power loss. Remember, power lines are not perfect conductors. There's some resistance there. Power equals I times V, or another version of that is V squared over R, or I squared R. Well, using the I squared R, high currents would create high power losses. So we want to transmit at low current to reduce the power loss through the power lines. So we transmit all the way to your house at low current, then transform it over to high current, low voltage.